Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know I just colored my hair last week and um I know I'm crazy, but it didn't stick in my hair and I already knew that that was going to happen, but it was a hair color that someone asked me to try and they wanted to know what it looked like before trying it themselves because nobody does black hair colors, and if they do, they don't do the ones that you want to see. So anyways, it didn't stick, so that is why I colored my hair and I am back. So I colored my hair using another recommendation, and it is the Clairol Natural Instincts in the Bold. I believe this is new. I've never seen it. I've even walked around my Walmart and their hair color aisle and nothing new has popped out, and I haven't seen any like ads or anything for new hair colors to try. So when I was told about this, I was so excited and I ordered it on walmart.com. They had it online, so that's where I got mine. But the she said that you could get it in store. She's seen it at like a CVS, I believe. But I don't know if it's anywhere else, but I feel like the hair dye aisle is just getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And I don't even think any new products are like really hitting the shelves. And if they are, I feel like it's more online than in store. And like my hair dye aisle is gotten a lot smaller since like I moved here. It used to be like two aisles, and it is down to like a half. And that's dramatic. Like that was a big dramatic change from like when I moved here and how big the hair dye aisle was to like how small it got from 2019 to 2023. Like that's sad. So I don't know what's happening. I don't know if everyone's just sticking to like buying online or what, but anyways, let's jump into this. So on the box, it doesn't say anywhere about gray coverage or anything. So I'm not 100% sure if this is going to stick to my whites or grays for very long. So far, it has held up. It hasn't shown up on any of my whites up in the front here. So that is good. I don't see any at all so far that I've noticed. I don't know if it's going to like stick. I don't know if it's going to last. But because obviously the box doesn't say. This does say that even though like the colors, it shows more of like a light brown to like a dark brown, it also says on here that it's perfect for dark based hair. So like basically my hair color, because I have a dark base, so it works good for dark hair and all hair textures. So that's great. Hopefully it lasts the 8 weeks that it says. Like I said, we'll see. This color was pretty gentle for the most part. It had its moments where it would itch here and there, but like after that, it just kind of like, it wasn't bothersome. Like I knew the itchiness was there and it would itch in one spot, but then it would just go away. And it wasn't like a crazy amount where like, oh, I need to itch type thing. It was just like, it itches a little bit. We're good. Like I don't need, it's not bothersome where I need to itch it. It doesn't have much of a smell. Like I really didn't notice anything. And usually like I'm pretty sensitive to like scent. Like if it's overpowering, it's going to make my eyes water and everything. And I didn't necessarily like sense a smell until like I was like really thinking about it, like, does this color smell? And I'm like, oh, it kind of smells like a little florally fruity type. Like I couldn't quite pinpoint if it was floral or fruity type of thing because it was like a very light scent. So like you don't really need any ventilation because it's not like, oh my god, this smells so bad, I need like to open a window type thing. So like I really struggled trying to figure out if it was fruity or floral. So meaning like it doesn't really have that much of a scent to it. It does stain the skin and it does stain your sink. So I ended up like getting a piece of hair that just like fell on my face, and usually like it takes a while for it to like turn color. No, it like turned color immediately. From the moment like it hit my face and I moved it and I went to go get a wipey to wipe it off, like this whole section on my cheek was like plastered blue. So just be careful. Ooh, something is itching me. Just be careful about getting it on anything because it will stain it. So you will need bleach. I didn't have an issue when I was washing it out where it stained my shower or tub or anything. So that's a plus. This color does have PPD in it. I checked. It does say it's 100% ammonia. Or no, why do I keep saying 100? 0% ammonia. Sorry, correction. So, but it does have PPD in it. There's no toluene. And I think that's all I gotta say about this color. Yeah, so anyways, let's jump into the color. I couldn't really tell in my vanity light, but I can see some blue here. I see it. It is really nice and dark, but in my vanity, I kept getting like red tones in it, and I was not really happy with that. So, but I am definitely, in my natural lighting, definitely seeing some blue hues popping through. So, and I haven't even like turned around to play with lighting yet, but my hair feels really good. It's like super shiny. It's really staticky, and I kind of feel like when it's staticky, that means it's like super clean. It's like super staticky. It just feels really good and soft and clean, and I don't know. It just feels so like healthy. I mean, I did just get a haircut too, but I feel like it's super soft. But I definitely see a tint of blue, and I'm not even like, I am by the window, but like I haven't like played around with the lighting or anything. So let's turn this around and see what it looks like over here. Ooh, that definitely looks really blue. Oh my God, that looks so pretty. I don't know, are you seeing this? I really hope the camera's picking it up, but it looks blue. It looks so pretty. I can't wait to see what it looks like in the sun, in the actual sun, because that will look amazing. Yeah, this is really pretty. Like even when I did like that hair flip, I could see the blue. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm so excited. Like I really cannot wait to like see what it looks like in the sun and like play around with it like in different areas of my house and see like what it looks like when I'm in the kitchen. In warm lighting, I can't really see it. It looks more like a dark brown, but it is dark. It is obviously really blue and it is beautiful. Yeah, those are all the pros. Well, hopefully it lasts and we'll see what it looks like after like the first wash. But yeah, I'm seeing blue that just like blows my mind. Like, ah, that's so pretty. Yeah. So yeah, anyways, that's amazing. I can't stop staring at it. Like I love seeing the blue. It looks such a navy color, like a navy blue. It's beautiful. I can't stop staring at it. Okay, so if there are any other recommendations, let me know. If there's any new blue blacks out there that you want me to try, or even like jet black, or violet blacks, let me know in the comments below or hit me up on Instagram. And you could always like DM me a picture of the hair color too. That always helps because then it helps me know exactly what like hair color to look for. brain fart. So I will keep you guys updated on this hair color on Instagram. And if you don't already follow me, it's Nina_Gilhousen Nina_Gilhousen. And I always post like if this hair color will bleed or if it like fades like instantly, or if it like what it's like the first wash, like if it just washes out, or if like my whites peek through already. Yeah, I let you guys know all of that and my thoughts. And then if like the hair color is good, I'll give you updates throughout like the whole entire month until I need to recolor. But I will also update you like for basically update you all the time. And on the hair color, because it's always a good insight if you want to like color your hair that color. You want to know how it holds up, especially like that's how I am. Before I color my hair, I want to know somebody's experience with the hair color. Like, is it going to even work on my hair, or is it going to cover my grays? Is it going to do anything for me? So yeah, so if you're interested in any of that, you can just follow me on Instagram. And if you want to like recommend a hair color, it's a lot easier than doing it through YouTube, like under the comments, because sometimes they get deleted and you can't show a picture of the hair color. So if you want to just DM me, I respond pretty quickly to like everybody on comments on Instagram, on comments on YouTube. So I do respond back to everybody. I try to be very good on that. So yeah, if there's any recommendations or anything, let me know in the comments below or hit me up on the Insta, and I will definitely see what I could do on finding it. If it's a color from overseas, that's a little bit more trickier. If I can't find it like on Walmart or anything, I try and look on Amazon or on eBay and see what I can find. And if the pricing is good, then I'll definitely try it out. So yeah, I will see you next time. Bye guys.